The European Union is committed to inclusive education, ensuring that all students, regardless of their background, have access to quality and inclusive education within their communities. Such an objective is clearly stated in our shared European Pillar of Social Rights as its first principle. True inclusion means providing the necessary support for every learner to thrive alongside their peers. That is why we are proud to have assisted the Ministries of Education in Spain, Italy, and Portugal through the Combatting Disparities in Access to Inclusive Education project.
The European Agency for Special Needs and Inclusive Education acted as a technical provider in this innovative project. The project took a collaborative approach, working with diverse stakeholders, including policymakers, professionals, and family associations, to gain insight and build capacity.
Very importantly, the results produced by the project have come as a result of multiple rounds of consultations, both online and in person, where we have strived to involve a wide range of stakeholders, including regional education stakeholders, but also schools, education researchers, local authorities, families, and students.
Este proyecto ha sido determinante a la hora de identificar los principales obstáculos que dificultan el acceso a una educación inclusiva de calidad y también la fortaleza del sistema. Sus resultados nos han proporcionado una información muy valiosa para fortalecer el diseño, la coherencia y la calidad de políticas, tanto a nivel nacional como regional, que mejoren la inclusión.
The project followed a bottom-up participatory approach, which led to the formulation of country-specific recommendations and outlines of action plans for future development, as well as a range of resources for countries to use.
When dealing with issues related to students with special educational needs, a bottom-up participatory approach is a crucial means of identifying the most suitable measures to respond to those very needs.
O envolvimento de toda a gente na partilha daquilo que são as suas próprias dificuldades e as suas próprias opções e ideias sobre aquilo que é a educação inclusiva tem sido muito rico. Inclusive todos os projetos que de alguma forma vão acontecendo pela Europa fora e sobretudo nestes 3 países, acho que tem ajudado muito a nós a construirmos uma ideia mais rica de tudo aquilo que queremos que a educação inclusiva continue a ser.
This project supports our ongoing efforts to reduce disparities and promote a more inclusive educational environment. It has directly contributed to strengthening policy consistency and its effective implementation, helping Portugal advance to develop a better monitoring and evaluation model of its inclusive educational system.
We believe that the participation of a broad spectrum of profiles favors the plurality of points of view and expert opinions, each one from their own field. The African proverb, "To educate a child, you need the whole tribe," reflects this general idea that education should concern all possible people, since it's the future of the whole society that we are forging, with the role of families and the associative movement being key in this process.
I will highlight the possibility it has given us to share the reality of inclusive education in different countries through activities such as peer learning exchanges. On the other hand, the knowledge and experience of the educational actors give us much more real and concrete vision of educational practices in each of the countries. Moreover, the participation of experts on national policies from other countries has been very valuable since, in addition to providing an overview of their own education systems, they have offered a tailored approach to our priorities.
We are very glad to hear already at this early stage, as we are closing the project, about these initiatives that are already emerging, let's say, in the 3 project countries. Evidently, these are also the result of longer track record and a path that these 3 countries have been on for quite some time. But we are honored to have been able to act as a catalyst for this change through this project. We truly hope that this will not end here, that we will find ways to further collaborate in the months and years to come.